Alright, Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Has nothing to do with RVs. I'm just showing you a little bit about my property. We got 2 acres back in here. Alright, there's a fifth wheel I'm working on, and there's another one, and that's my beaver right there, and there's another travel trailer, toy hauler. What I did today was I brought this back here. It had a bunch of white stones on it, this tarp. They're billboard signs. They're really good. Let me show you where I had to dig all this stuff up at. Hold on, put you on hold. There's the burning pit or whatever, right? All right. And then there's the garden we're going to increase. We're taking it to the edge of that white fence there. Go all the way over. There's my 168-foot well cap right there, okay? And then I'm going to go down that way with it. So I'm going to have a pretty good sized garden. Put you on hold. So there's where it came from. There was a bunch of white stones on it. That's the pool built in. Got to ask my wife if you can come swim in it, but it's alright. She gets along with a lot of people. There's where I piled them up. We're going to de-weed this. We already pulled a lot of leaves. That's the Rvdiagnostics school and garage, and basically this is stay while you wait, get repaired or school. And what we got going on back here is my blueberry bushes got chumped up by some deers or something like that. But they're coming out. They're coming out. There's one there. I got a couple different ones. Early blooming, mid blooming, and late blooming. There's another one that's coming out. Yeah, there's a couple little shoots on it. Not much, but it's getting there. It's only April the 17th. There's another one. Coming out. But these are blackberries right here. Blackberries. I only got like 15-20 gallons out of it last year. We'll probably get more. There's my cherry trees. I gotta really watch them. Yeah, bugs like them little things, man. They ain't bloomed yet. But they're late or mid bloomers. There's another one. Those are pear trees. And I got type of peach trees coming. Well, they're actually in the office. They're flat little ones. My daughter loves them. Whatever them flowers are, they flower a lot. And there's your knockout roses there. They look good. And there's some more roses over there. Let me take you here. Hold on. So that's the watering station. I got irrigation hooked up. If you see the blue pipe right here. All right, so they go off at like 10 at night. Water. Don't overwater them. There's the feed to the 168-foot well. That way I can fill the pool up. If it gets too hot, I can cool it down. That's Earth Angel, beautiful white smelling roses. Oh, hold on. I hope it didn't happen. There you go. Yeah, there's peonies. That's her mom's peonies. They're doing really good. That's another one of her mom's peonies. Look, it's getting ready to bloom. I think the frost is over. This is, I put a mirror right here so I can reflect on that and get it more sunlight. There are more peonies. This here will be coming up with morning glories. I think they're scarlets. And then there's the cats enjoying themselves, right? That's the famous, well, that's where the septic is, but we call it the poop yard because the dogs and cats do what they gotta do. This is Jeff from Rvdiagnostics. Nothing about RVs, just getting ready for spring cleanup and all that and doing it. Thank you very much.